Well, here we are again. Flat tire. Pulled out the big gun. Slime. Let's see. Air. No, there's air up there. 37 pounds. We'll see what happens. It's one of those leaks that has shown up from time to time. One time I pumped it up, it lasts months. Next time I pump it up, next day it's flat. So I'm pretty sure I took that thing when it first started giving me trouble to have it professionally fixed. So may have to do that again. Of course, now I say may have to do it again. If that slime won't fix it, it's got a major problem. I put 24 ounces of slime in that thing. So we'll see what happens. My bride is down there weed eating around her stuff. When I say stuff, her flowers. But yeah, that blame Billy Goat over there, I'm gonna kill him. I'm not gonna kill him. No, I would never do something like that. I mean, I stood there and watched him headbutt that fence. I need to get rid of him. He's too big. Eats too much. Here on Labor Day, 2023. She's pumping up. $19 pounds so far. I got it set to kick off at 37. That's a handy little piece of equipment right there, folks. That Dewalt power box, power pack, whatever you call it. I got a bunch of junk in my barn. I need to move and just leave the stuff I don't want. That's what my daddy said. He said everybody should move about every 15, 20 years and just leave the junk they don't want. Let somebody else have to worry with it. Is she gonna wave? She didn't see me waving at her. And she's got her fur babies there with her. She really enjoys weed eating, believe it or not. She said it's therapeutic. That way I don't have to. Oh, there it went. There it went. 37 pounds. 37 pounds. Happy day.